Welcome to a tutorial on viewing and editing your entire YouTube comment history. I will show you how to do it on both desktop and mobile YouTube. Let's begin with desktop. Load the YouTube homepage. Click on History on the left sidebar. On the History page, click on the Comments tab. Here on the Comments tab you can view every comment your YouTube account has posted. From here you can edit every comment you wish, as well as delete them from YouTube. It's a little bit trickier to do this from mobile because it won't work on the YouTube app. So open up a browser and go to the YouTube homepage. Now tap on the Settings button, which looks like 3 vertical dots. Tap on Desktop. This will load the desktop version of the site. Now from here you can click on the History button on the left. And click the Comments tab, and you will be able to manage all of your previous YouTube comments. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.